In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on extended hours in TradingView. If you're keen on keeping tabs on financial markets, especially outside of the regular trading hours, this feature can be a real game changer for your data analysis and strategy planning. So let's dive right into how you can make the most out of TradingView with just a few simple steps. First, we begin by heading over to the TradingView website. TradingView is an impressive platform that allows you to track all markets effectively. It offers a vast range of features and tools, making it a favored choice among traders globally. Once you're on the home page, the next thing you want to do is locate the search bar. It's typically found at the top of the page. Clicking on it will enable you to search various financial instruments. After engaging the search bar, type in your desired symbol. For this tutorial, we'll be using Bitcoin against the US dollar as our example. Simply type Bitcoin into the search bar and you should see a list of suggestions pop up. From these options, select Bitcoin, US dollar. This will take you to the chart page where you can access detailed data and a range of analytical tools specifically for Bitcoin's trading activity. Now with the chart open, we want to make sure it includes extended hours data. To do this, look for the settings icon, often appearing as a gear wheel near the chart area. Click on this and you'll open the settings menu where you will find multiple viewing options. Within this menu, locate and select the Trading tab. This tab focuses on settings related to trading and display features. In the Trading tab, you'll see various checkboxes and options. What we are specifically interested in is the option for extended price lines. By checking this option, you tell TradingView to display price movements that occur outside of standard market hours, stretching those price lines across the entire width of your chart for better visibility. This feature is particularly useful for traders who rely on comprehensive analysis and don't want to miss any action that takes place before or after the regular market hours. Once you've selected the checkbox, you're almost done. The last step is simply to confirm your selection by clicking OK. This will apply your changes and take you back to the main chart view, now updated to display extended hours data. And there you have it. You've now successfully enabled extended hours on TradingView, allowing you to gain valuable insights into after-hours price actions. By following these steps, you can ensure that you have a complete view of your chosen financial instrument, enhancing your ability to make well-informed trades.